Assalamu alaikum. We are here in Miragoâne and you can see our container has reached. So it's just reached today and we are in Miragoâne. We just want to see the container number over here, so that's why. So this container has come from Florida, and this was after Hurricane Matthew. We sent the container, and because of some rules and regulations, it took a little bit longer to get cleared, but alhamdulillah it is clear and will be distributed in Miragoâne to those people who are affected by Hurricane Matthew. So alhamdulillah, our team is offloading. Yeah. This is Brother Bilal. We have just reached here from Jeremy, and from Jeremy we just reached, and alhamdulillah our team is working hard to offload this. Here's some nice rice which has come, some nice clothes and other items. So Jazakallah khair, Florida, for your container, for your nice contribution. Inshallah, we are here inside now the storage area. Unfortunately, you're not able to see properly what is in here. Yes, definitely you cannot see. I know. So we'll go out from here, and alhamdulillah, our container has reached the destination here in Miragoâne, and will inshallah be distributed tomorrow, which will be Sunday, June the 11th. So Jazakallah khair for all the contributions, from all the donors. Please continue to visit hhrd.org/Ramadan, and this time, as you can see, in-kind gift efforts. So you contribute to our in-kind gifts program, in-kind gift program, so you can we can continue this excellent program of in-kind gifts. Is our luggage. Our car got broken when we were coming from Jeremy, so we took a bus down here to Miragoâne. Alhamdulillah, we reached on time to receive the container. Our team is trying to put together a banner, alhamdulillah, for our in-kind gifts program for Haiti. So Jazakallah khair again. Keep going hhrd.org/Ramadan and contribute generously towards our in-kind gifts program. Until next segment, this is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.